Costco has 10 new and exciting items that just landed in the warehouse, and I plan to buy them all today. I'll let you know which ones you want to buy, what you want to skip, and of course, I'll take everything home to see if they actually taste good or not. This video is also sponsored by Thrive Market, but more on that later because for the first time ever, I've seen Bubbies pickles at Costco. This is the best. I repeat, the best pickle on the market. Why? One word and one word only. They're fermented pickles. That means in this pickle brine is billions of living probiotic bacteria, good for your gut, and I'm so glad it's right here. The difference between that and this pickle, both are Bobby approved. Well, this is a typical brine with vinegar. It's fine, but it's not fermented. When it's fermented, look, you will not see vinegar on the list, and that fermentation makes a good flavor and good gut bacteria, and $6.99 is way cheaper than the store. Pro tip, don't throw away the brine when you're done. You can take shots of it or make a pickle lemonade for the summer. It is delicious with a burger and Bobby approved fries. And next up, I'll show you a portable protein treat that just landed too. Chomps is not new to Costco, but this flavor is brand spanking new. It's smoky barbecue seasoned beef sticks, 12 sticks for $19. There's a couple reasons why I like these. I love barbecue seasoning and they do it right. It's grass-fed beef with cherry powder, red pepper, garlic powder, tomato powder, no BS. I've said it before, but yes, you get the 10 grams of protein, but you get 7 grams of healthy fat. Fat plus protein satiates your hunger. This is a great Bobby approved keto paleo stick for the road, and it tastes absolutely great. And right behind you is a sweet treat that's new that tastes really good also. This is the only, I repeat, the only Bobby approved graham cracker on the market. It's Simple Mills Sweet Thins. You talk about a yummy honey cinnamon done right. They're gluten-free, made with watermelon seed flour, cashew flour, sunflower flax, nutrient-dense gluten-free grains, sweetened with coconut sugar. But look, 12 Thins only has 7 grams of added coconut sugar. That's low sugar with real cinnamon, real vanilla, no BS. Give these to your kids when they go to camp. Give them to the big kids. Actually, I use these to make this recipe on screen right now. It's called Japanese cheesecake. You mix yogurt with Flav City protein, put these all throughout, let it sit overnight, and it softens like a cheesecake crust. Delicious in a big bag for $9.79. You got to try these. And next up, I'll show you something new in the breakfast aisle. Brand spanking new in the breakfast aisle, 7 Sundays wild berry protein oats. I love these because the ingredients are unheard of for oatmeal. They're using gluten-free oats. They have the glyphosate-free stamp right there. They have oat protein, maple syrup sweetened with real berries like blueberries, cranberries, apples, cherries, flax, coconut sugar, and chia seeds. We're getting 10 grams of protein per and a whopping 7 grams of fiber. Just make this at home over a little bit of water. It is delicious. You could also make it overnight oat style, and you're getting a 32-ounce bag for sub $10. I know there was some news on Instagram the other month about glyphosate. This has the glyphosate-free sticker here. I think the issue is with some of this cereal, which they're addressing right now. This is new. This is a great treat, as is the sweet treat in the candy aisle. This looks like a better-for-you version of an Almond Joy, and it's brand new. It's skinny dipped chocolate coconut almond bites. Now, full disclosure, not Bobby approved, but very, very close. It's coconuts with cane sugar, yes, but it also has maple sugar and agave in there. It's got almonds, a little bit of milk, and vanilla and cocoa powder in here. Here's the deal. One piece only has 3 grams of added sugar, so way better for you than most sweet treats, but we can't give it the full Bobby approved stamp. I will say, look inside of here. It is really loaded with the coconut and the almonds, and it tastes really good. And you get 30 of them for $12. So if you're looking for a better for you sweet, toss it in your cart. It is a good deal, as is the sponsor of this video, which is thrivemarket.com. My link down below gets you $20 off your first 3 orders. Yes, Thrive is a 9-year supporter of the channel, which is super cool. But the reason why I like Thrive is pretty much anything you would get at a normal grocery store, It's on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You order online and the box comes to your door. I typed out a list of my favorite items I buy there and put it in the description box down below. And once again, my link down there gets you 20 bucks off your first 3 orders and a free gift. Check it out. It's here, my friends. The new David bar that lots of people are raving about is at Costco for a great price. This is probably one of the worst protein bars I've ever seen, which is really disappointing. The guy who invented this invented the RX bar, which wasn't Bobby approved, but it was definitely a better for you option. I think what gets people is they talk about it being an effective protein system with very high protein, low calorie. But the way they do that is naughty, naughty. So forget about the fact that the protein system is GMO ingredients. It's sweetened with maltitol. The fat is something called modified plant oil that they own the rights to the entire proprietary system. It's an oil that your body can't digest, so the calories and fat don't count. That cannot be good for your gut. In addition to the palm oil, artificial flavors and artificial sweeteners like Ace K and sucralose, these kind of ingredients can be devastating to your gut. Leave a comment down below. I tasted one, I didn't think it was good, and to me those ingredients are a major no-no. This is the perfect side dish for 4th of July. It's red, white, and blue veggies, America 250, heck yeah, and it's made with USA grown vegetables, and it's Bobby approved. Fireworks are popping around me, I hope, because look at this. It's potatoes, cauliflower, onions, purple potatoes, red peppers, olive oil blend. What does that mean? They call it out. Pure olive oil with extra virgin olive oil and a bit of seasoning. Kudos to them because extra virgin and pure are both Bobby approved. Now other brands, Rayos, doesn't do that. They just put olive oil on their label and it's actually refined olive oil. When it's pure and extra virgin, that's great. We get, wow, 32 ounces for $13. I just roasted these at home in the oven till they get a little bit of charredness on the sides. Delicious. You serve this with some steak or some chicken, low carb, high protein, America 250 dinner. We showed one beef stick earlier, the Chomps. This is a second option. They're epic meat sticks, but wait for it. These are grass-fed Wagyu. I haven't seen these here in a long time. They are great. Oh, they're on sale, unlisted sale also for a great deal. This is interesting because Wagyu is not always grass-fed. These are, and the ingredients are beef, honey, salt, pepper, garlic. Now you'll notice a meat stick has a little less protein, 6 grams. That's because Wagyu are slightly fattier. So the fat takes the place of the protein, but it's still a good source of high quality protein and you're getting 6 grams of healthy fat here. I like these because the honey plays good with the fatty beef and the salt, and they're on sale. Hopefully you have that at your Costco too, because this is a great find. We're back, my friends. Your eyes are not deceiving you in the pickle section because we saw this down low. It's Pickles de Gallo, a play on words. It's not pico, it's Pickles de Gallo. Wow, look at the texture of this. This is so cool. It's nothing but cucumbers, brine, onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Now, it's not fermented like the pickles we talked about earlier, but this is meant to be a condiment. Holy cow, it's really chunky. It's seasoned nice. Imagine making like skirt steak and putting some of this over the top, or some freshly grilled fish. 32 ounces for $6.39 as we're in the heart of grilling and chilling season. I've never seen a pickle de gallo before, have you? My friends, never seen this before. Look at this, my favorite taco seasoning mix, Siete, is here. It's a mystery price. We don't know what it is, but we'll find out and pop it on screen right now. I do make my own taco seasoning and mix at home with smoked paprika, cumin, coriander, but if you don't want to do it, this is the best one on the market, and there's 6 multi-packs in here for the mild one. Good, it's not the spicy one because I can't handle the heat, to be honest. Check this out, red chiles, salt, ground dates for that sweet and spicy flavor, tomatoes, garlic, nutritional yeast, cumino, onions, cassava, black pepper, parsley. Awesome ingredients. Just throw this into your ground beef or ground chicken and it's done for you. To get 6 packs for a really good price, I'm guessing, is epic. These crackers are back and I'm happy to see it because Firehook organic crackers are some of the best I've seen on the market. 2 8-ounce packets for $12.69. My friends, with crackers, it's usually horrible ingredients. Organic flour, organic honey, yeast, organic olive oil, salt, that's it. Rosie loves these. Pro tip, dip these into that new Ithaca olive oil hummus at Costco. You have the best snack ever. I'm not sure if your Costco is gonna have it, and mine does have the star on there, which means it might not be around a long time, but if you have these crackers, they are golden brown. They're studded with the right amount of salt. They are delicious. Today's date is June 22nd. Can we all agree it's just a little early for Halloween decorations? Come on, it's not even 4th of July yet. This is $260. It's super cool, don't get me wrong. It's just a wee bit too early. I wish we had smell-o-vision. This coffee smells great and it's brand new. It's a limited edition Kirkland single origin Mexican from Oaxaca, the culinary capital of Mexico, whole beans. 2 pounds for just under $17. I always say it, but single origin coffee is gonna be superior to blends. I also always say that coffee doesn't have to be organic because it's grown in a hard sherry in protective areas, but bonus points, this is really nice. Just remember, with whole bean coffee, when you open this, you have about 2 weeks of peak freshness, unless you vacuum seal it up. This looks really good. Now, you could also drink the coffee I'm drinking now, which is premium single origin instant coffee. You've been to Target lately? My newest product just launched. It's Flav City Coffee with Benefits. Single origin instant low acid coffee with collagen, prebiotic fiber, L-theanine, and MCT oil, but it just tastes like really good coffee. It's only available at Target nationwide. Check that out and check this coffee out too. Have you seen this before? It's the Jolie shower head filter. Now look outside of my home. I have a whole house filter that filters the water completely of heavy metals and more before it comes into the house. We take water quality very seriously. Now, if you don't have that, this works well. This removes all of the lead, contaminants, and heavy metals before you bathe in it. And they have these clinical trials on the box that prove that it works well, and supposedly it works well for hair and scalp health too. And it's an annual pack, which means you have enough filters in here to last you for a whole year, and you get it for $139. So if you want to improve the quality of water you're bathing in, check that out. But that is it. That's over 10. We over-delivered over 10 new items to get at Costco at the end of June into July. Leave a comment down below what you're most excited to buy, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.